Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And Jasmy right now is pushing down. So what's the news story of Jasmy? We've seen a potential pump right here just to see the prices move down again. But this is a very important level. This is a very important area where Jasmy has really go to the downside. At this point of time, I do believe that Bitcoin may be looking to touch $32,000. So yeah, that's one thing you have to understand, and we may see this coin as well move up to this resistance once again. So what I'm going to tell you is the following. When you zoom out on the 4-hour time frame, right? So you do have this as your 4-hour time frame, and there's a pattern going on in here. So one resistance, move down, one resistance, move down, there, move down, there as well, move down, here as well, move down, one there, move down, one there, and move down. Okay, so anytime that you move down, you actually came back up to that resistance. You move down here, you came back to that resistance. And we might say, and it's actually very realistic to say now, that you've moved down here again. This is your support, okay? Support, move up, support, move up, support. We may see a move up right there. So you do have a small opportunity with Jasmy, and we may actually see Jasmy trying to push up to for 6% or 6.29% to the upside. Now, of course, the stop loss is going to be the following, and let's talk about the stop as well. So we might be looking at a move down here, like a 5.85. So the higher you go, the down the risk is as well. So the risk reward ratio is pretty much the same. So 5 to 6% to the downside and 6% to the upside as well. I don't like trading, stuff like that. So what I'm going to do here is, I may say that the following, that if you try to push back up like this and you try to go up and up, break above, come here for the retest, and then you can actually find a nice good push to the upside, and then you may have a technical target right over there. Now the scenario is the following, a very, very simple one. Okay, if you try to push up and go like this and eventually break down and come down like this, we may see a very, very big drop in Jasmy, the one that we've been waiting for ages. So I've actually draw for you the demand and supply. The best scenario that I'm going to talk about, I'm just going to tell you the best and worst case scenario. The best scenario is here if you just hold this demand box and then go to the supply zone. Then you have like a 40% move to the upside, number one. The worst case scenario though is having a move like this, make a fake out, and then finally come below the demand box and hit it, retest the demand box, and then you have a very, very big move to the downside. So that's the worst case possible. So I do think it's pretty clear that you have to go to the tradingview.com website, and then you have to draw that thing. You draw this, you draw the supply zone, supply, demand, and wherever you break, you trade accordingly. Just be aware of the fake outs and stuff like that. I'm just going to try to keep up with the updates as well, so that we may end up having these things together. And if you want to learn more about trading, do message me on Twitter. The link is in the description of the video. There's a discount going on, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.